Here's one for you. What can you catch in December with your eyes closed? A cold. Hey, it's Megan with MongoDB's Developer Relations team. 2023 is almost to an end, but we are not slowing down. So let's talk about what we've been up to lately. It's a lot. If you want even more details, just scroll down and click the link in the description below to view the written version of the index. On Developer Center, read all about how to use MongoDB Atlas Vector Search for audio in this article from Pavel and guest contributor Ran Shear. Tim will show you how to unlock semantic search and build a Java-powered movie search engine with Atlas Vector Search and Spring Boot. Rami explains how to build an inventory management system using MongoDB Atlas. Guest contributors Scott and Sahil are talking about how to enhance MongoDB Atlas with Gina Embeddings AI to produce your own search solution. We've got more content from Pavel on leveraging OpenAI and MongoDB Atlas for improved search functionality. Harshad is discussing retrieval augmented generation with Atlas Vector Search, LangChain, and OpenAI. And guest contributor Ronnie will show you how to enhance LLM accuracy using MongoDB Vector Search and unstructured.io metadata. On YouTube, Eric dropped episode 7 in his series, this time covering the important topic of Atlas Search Query Analytics. Maxime is talking about how to build a REST API with Java, Spring Boot, Spring Data, and MongoDB Atlas Search. And Jorge published episode 3, part 1 of his series, Adventures in IoT. While on YouTube, be sure to visit the Live tab. You'll see upcoming streams we've scheduled, as well as replays of past live streams. Mark talked about joins and subsets. Luce discussed getting started with Ruby on Rails and Atlas, and Michael sat down with VJ from Grafana Labs in a live episode of the MongoDB podcast. All right, let's move on to our community. We are thrilled to bring you an exclusive recap of our community journey at this year's reInvent. It was an event brimming with innovation, particularly around generative AI and MongoDB's capabilities. Let's dive into the highlights of our multifaceted involvement and how we supported the vibrant tech community. First up, a session titled Building Generative AI-Enriched Applications with AWS and MongoDB Atlas. In this session, Ben Flast and Seth Payne took us on an insightful journey into integrating Gen AI in application development. It was truly a fusion of creativity and technology. Then we had the privilege of learning from Rick Houlihan in schema design for fast applications. This was a masterclass in enhancing application performance, essential knowledge for anyone working with MongoDB. We also hosted a hands-on workshop titled Join the AI Party, exploring MongoDB's vector search features. Led by Chuck Freeman, this workshop was an in-depth exploration of MongoDB's cutting-edge search features, empowering participants with the latest in AI-powered search capabilities. The community engagement was Our MongoDB community happy hour at Sugarcane was a memorable affair. It offered a fantastic platform for community members to network, share stories, and spark innovative ideas in a fun and friendly atmosphere. We featured 10 community-led lightning talks focused on generative AI, retrieval augmented generation, and LLMs led by community experts. These talks were a powerhouse of knowledge, offering quick, insightful dives into various AI-related topics. reInvent was also about celebrating developers. In partnership with brand marketing, we interviewed numerous developers for an upcoming Love Your Developers social series. This initiative brings to light the stories, challenges, and wins of developers building in this new era of AI and how being involved in a community can benefit developers. And finally, the AI Collective Kickoff. Join the Collective, a platform where AI enthusiasts and experts can come together to share knowledge and experiences and drive innovation in the field of AI. Outside of reInvent, MongoDB sponsored AWS Community Day Mexico on November 11th, and MongoDB community member Hector, the director of R&D at Kata Software, spoke to an audience of about 80 developers about enhancing LLMs with retrieval augmented generation and MongoDB Atlas Vector Search. Moving on to our MongoDB user groups, or MUGs as we call them, the first MUG KL meetup at Asia Pacific University was a blast. Attendees connected over food, tech, and trivia. In the Tech Talks, Fong Li, Senior Solution Architect, shared insights on how MongoDB Atlas supports modern application architecture, focusing on trust building and digital innovation. Tech lead at WorkApp, Murshad Jalil, then delved into a fascinating journey in Jumpstart on Atlas Search, showcasing his expertise in system design and development. Kudos to organizer Van Dyke Lay for making it a tech-filled evening. On November 25th, MUG leaders Darshan, Manoj, Pallav, and Naveen in Bengaluru orchestrated an engaging event at Toyota Connected. The meetup featured 3 insightful talks. The first delved into the transition from replica sets to sharded clusters, presented by Ayushi Mangal Agrawal. Following that, Vivekanandan Sakthivelu, lead engineer at Toyota Connected India, shared valuable insights on MongoDB data modeling best practices. The third talk, led by Deepak Singh from Capillary Technologies, explored the crafting of an effective framework for implementing and expanding search capabilities in a multi-tenant environment. With 60 attendees, the event concluded with a trivia session, providing a platform for networking, learning from industry experts, and staying updated on the latest MongoDB database concepts. A sincere thank you to Toyota Connected for their support and collaboration in making this event a success. MUG leaders Matthew Seaver Choi and Haifa Karina hosted an insightful MUG meetup at AWS Manila in the developer show and tell format. Industry experts including Ian Odiaman, Warren Ezra, Bruce Jodian, and Ryan Azure shared experiences, both good and challenging, about using MongoDB for production workloads. The event took place at the AWS office, which provided a vibrant space for the community to come together. The Leeds MongoDB meetup was held on November 30th, and developers gathered for networking, food, and drinks. Sam Redman, MongoDB's solution architect, shared insights on client-side field-level encryption, offering a deep dive into securing data between servers and applications. Paul Brennan, head of architecture at Universal Credit DWP Digital, enlightened attendees with tech evolution at scale, showcasing MongoDB's role in enhancing digital infrastructure. The night wrapped up with a lively trivia session, and lucky participants scored awesome MongoDB swag. Upcoming events are bringing us to Frankfurt, Utah, Chicago, Santa Catarina, and beyond. For a full list of events, head to Developer Center. That was a big one. I tried to warn you. That brings us to the end, and you know the drill. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell, and drop a comment to say hello, and I'll see you next time.